Bullish Theta organization cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $4.88 and $9.22 by 2030. Market experts accept Theta could reach $3.79 by 2025. Bearish Theta organization market cost expectation for 2023 is 86 cents. Theta organization presentation. Theta's local cryptographic money is likewise called Theta. The symbolic powers the organization and boosts clients to share assets. There are two kinds of hubs on the Theta organization: normal hubs and asset-rich watchman hubs. Ordinary hubs acquire compensations for sharing their assets, while gatekeeper hubs procure much bigger prizes for checking blocks and bundling video transfers. Theta organization. One of the vital highlights of the Theta network is its utilization of edge reserving. Edge reserving includes putting away frequently mentioned information nearer to the client instead of at a concentrated area. This diminishes dormancy and works on streaming quality. By decentralizing substance conveyance, Theta can give a preferred streaming encounter over conventional CDNs. One more significant component of the Theta network is its capacity to deal with a lot of traffic with negligible effect on the watcher experience. This is made conceivable by Theta's P2P network organizing innovation, what eliminates web blockage by appropriating traffic among different ways all the while. How Theta functions. The main thing to comprehend about Theta is that it's not only a video real-time stage like YouTube or Jerk, it's likewise a decentralized organization controlled by the blockchain. This implies that clients can share transfer speed and registering assets on a P2P premise. As such, Theta is intended to be a more proficient and decentralized approach to web-based video. So how can it function? The key is in the utilization of edge servers. Edge servers are essentially PCs that are sent at the edge of the organization, nearer to the client. By doing this, Theta can lessen idleness and work on streaming quality. While Theta's mainnet deals with an agreement system that permits clients to approve exchanges and procure rewards, the stage gives top-notch streams low idleness, and clients can procure prizes for giving data transfer capacity assets. The group behind Theta is capable and has serious areas of strength for a record in the crypto and blockchain industry. The ongoing economic situations are bullish for Theta, and the cost is supposed to keep on ascending before long. I accept that Theta is a wise speculation at its ongoing value because of its utilization case in the video real-time industry as well as its accomplished group. I anticipate that it should arrive at new highs in 2023 as additional individuals become mindful of its true capacity. Theta organization is presently worth $1.08 USD. Theta has moved 2.54% as of now with an exchanging volume of $18,995,947. Theta organization is presently positioned 49 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,084,222,225 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination uniqueness from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Theta organization to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. There are a few justifications for why we accept that Theta has the potential for critical development before long. The quantity of web clients, first and foremost, keeps on developing quickly, particularly in nations like India and China. Also, use levels in created markets like the US are now very high. Yet there is still space for development as additional individuals become open to utilizing on the web administration. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Theta organization market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Theta organization value forecast 2023. Theta organization, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The Theta cost figure for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $1.63. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $1.52 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is plausible soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. Theta is supposed to have a base worth of $1.30. Theta organization value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Theta organization Theta cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Theta will before long outperform $2.71. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the Theta's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Theta will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2.17 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.39. Theta organization value expectation 2025 on the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $3.79 and Theta might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Theta is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3.47 and a low of $3.25 in 2025. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2026. In the event that Theta Organization effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money aficionados, the Theta coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Theta will be green in 2026. The Theta is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $4.88, with a base cost of $4.34 and a typical cost of $4.55. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Theta cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $5.64 by 2027, with a base cost of $5.42 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Theta has a greatest value worth of $5.96. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $6.72. In the event that Theta figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $7.05. Neglecting to assemble the help Theta needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $6.51. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2029. While Theta is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $7.59 and a yearly cost close above $8.13 in 2029. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Theta Organization will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $8.67 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $9.22, averaging out at $8.89. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Theta cost in 2031 is projected to be $10.63 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $10.19. And the ongoing Theta Organization cost depends on an investigation of different elements, including specialized pointers and late market patterns. In light of our conjectures, we accept that the Theta Organization coin cost will keep on ascending soon and arrive at new all-time highs. What is the Theta Organization cost today? Today, Theta Organization is exchanging at $1.08 with an all-out market capitalization of $1,084,222,225. Is Theta Organization a wise speculation?